Hello, sir. Can I get your name?
Michael Duran.
All right, sir. We're seeing you this morning for a new felony case. You've been charged with domestic violence, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, domestic violence, aggravated assault by strangulation, 2 counts, and domestic violence, kidnapping. Now, sir, you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You also have the right to an attorney, and I'm going to appoint the public defender's office to represent you. Now we're going to talk about your release conditions and your next court dates. Before we do that, I was provided a copy of the Form 4C. Go ahead and take a look at that real quick. Counsel, did either of you have a chance to, or did you receive this?
I did not, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I did not.
All right, so what I'm showing is that that the score came back as a high risk.
State's recommendation remains the same.
So I have reviewed everything presented to me. The state is asking for a $75,000 bond. Mr. Poston, did you have anything else you wished me to consider?
Your Honor, this was an absolutely brutal 2-day assault using a firearm at one point. This person is an incredible risk to the victim, and $75,000 is entirely appropriate.
Ms. Adams, did you wish to be heard?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Duran has no failures to appear. He's a lifelong resident of Tucson. He is employed full-time and is a business owner. And his last conviction appears to be from 2011. And he reports to me that he has alternative housing, that he can stay at his mother's or his sister's house, so separate from the alleged victim. And so we would ask for release of pretrial services. Thank you.
All right, sir, looking at your history, it looks like your last felony conviction was from 2011. However, it looks like it involves at least one count that appears similar to one of the alleged counts in this case. So, sir, what I'm going to order at this time is I am going to order you be held on a $150,000 cash or secured bond. You will be supervised by pretrial services if you post that, and you'll have to comply with any monitoring or treatment directions they give you. You are not to possess any alcohol, illegal drugs, firearms, or weapons. You're not to commit any acts of domestic violence. You are also not to have any contact whatsoever with Michelle Johnson, and that order starts right now. So even though you're in the jail, you're not allowed to have any contact with her, nothing direct, nothing through a third party, no social media, no phone calls, no contact. You are also not to have any contact with her residence or her workplace. Your next court date will be a DV preliminary hearing, and that will be on June the 3rd at 1:30 in the afternoon. If you are released from custody, sir, you need to make that court date. If you don't, then a warrant will issue for your arrest. Do you understand?
Yes.
You're excused.
$1 is